In this pricing orders lessons, we'll discuss discounts and promotions. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to do the following: create a discount list, describe the different types of discount rules, explain what kinds of edits you can make using ADFDI-enabled Excel workbooks, and set up pricing promotions. This graphic gives you an overview of everything that's included in the order-to-cash process. You get access to all these features when Oracle Fusion Cloud Order Management is working together with other Oracle Fusion Cloud SCM applications. It's important to remember that things like credit checks, transportation planning, and compliance screening can happen both at order submission and again during fulfillment. We provide pre-built integrations with the applications you see here to help support the entire order-to-cash workflow. For this course, we'll focus on just a subset of these applications as they relate specifically to order management and to fulfillment, as well as how they connect with upstream and downstream systems. In this lesson, we'll be focusing on discount list and promotions. In our first topic, we'll discuss discount list. Consider this discount list use case. Vision Corporation offers special discounts on key products for its top customers, and these are all managed by pricing administrators on the corporate discount list. This list includes discounts for both standard and configured items, and the discounts themselves might be simple flat amounts, tier-based, or based on specific attributes. As part of the annual pricing review at Vision Corporation, you'll be looking at these discounts to see if any updates are needed to stay competitive in the market. When working with Discount List, you have several options for setting up discount rules. They can be simple, tier-based, or attribute-based. You can use these lists to apply discounts, markups, or even price overrides. Each discount is defined based on a combination of price type, and charge subtype, and discounts are applied after the list price is set. Here are some examples of the types of discounts you can define. Simple discounts, like a holiday promotion. Tier-based discounts, such as volume or quantity discounts. Attribute-based discounts, for example, a discounts on all items of a certain color. You can link one or more discount lists to different pricing strategies. If you want to see which pricing strategies are connected to a particular discount list, you can check out the reference tab on the discount list pages. One limitation to keep in mind: you can't create discounts for coverage items on a discount list. In the screenshot, you'll see a different discount rules that have been set up for a tablet as an example. This screenshot shows a simple discount rule. You'll notice that you can set up a rule to include things like effectivity dates, price type, and charge subtype. Simple discount rules are great for straightforward scenarios, such as taking 5% off of a one-time sale price, or giving a $5 discount on a recurring maintenance charge. As an example, if the base price of an item is $160 and there aren't any other adjustments, the list price is $160. With a seasonal discount of $15 running from July through August, the net price comes down to $145. You can apply discounts like this to standard items, subscription items, and even configured models and their components. This slide shows a screenshot of a group of tiered discounts that you can set up. The first tier: if a customer orders between 100,000 and 150,000 units, they get a 10% discount off the list price. For the second tier, if they order between 150,000 and 300,000 units, the discount increases to 15%. And the third tier, for orders of 300,000 units or more, a 15% discount still applies. This setup lets you automatically reward customers with bigger discounts as they order larger quantities. Sometimes you'll want to adjust prices based on certain item attributes, but it can be a lot of work to set up calculations for every single product. That's where discount lists come in. They let you apply discounts on top of the list price automatically when the order is processed. The table on this slide shows some t-shirt attribute examples. You'll see columns for size, color, adjustment type, and adjustment basis. For instance, there's a $10 discount for red shirts in size extra large, while size large shirts get a 7.5% discount. These examples assume that attributes like size and color are set up as an item extensible flex field in the Product Information Management work area. You can reference these item attributes in a pricing matrix, directly on a price list line, or on a discount list line. Attribute-based discounts can be set up at the all items level or for specific items. As a tip, you can also use item attributes within pricing algorithms, like in the price sales transaction algorithm, making your pricing logic even more flexible. Here's how you can use these extensible item attributes in Oracle Fusion Pricing. 1. Start by creating the item extensible attribute. 2. Add the attribute group to an item class in the Product Information Management work area. 3. Set up an attribute page and link it to the pricing functional area. 4. Edit the matrix class, such as the pricing term matrix, so that it includes your item attributes as a condition. 5. Create your discount list in the pricing administration work area. And finally, 6. Add your attribute-based discount rule to the discount list in pricing administration. Following these steps lets you tailor discounts based on specific item attributes, making your pricing more flexible and targeted. Here's a quick rundown of the steps shown in the graphic from left to right. 1. Set up your category hierarchy and assign each item to the right category. 2. Run the Refresh Product Hub snapshots scheduled process to update your product data. 3. Choose which product catalogs you want pricing to use when calculating discounts for each item. 4. Set up your matrix class for discounting purposes. And 5. Create your discount rule. Following these steps will help ensure your discounts are applied correctly based on categories and product data. These are the same steps as before, but now we're showing where to complete each one. 1. Set up the category hierarchy and assign items to categories in the Product Information Management work area. 2. Run the Refresh Product Hub snapshot schedule process from the Tools, then Schedule Process page. 3. Specify which product catalogs pricing should use for calculating discounts by going to the Setup Order Management page, then to the Pricing functional area, then select the Manage Pricing Parameters task. 4. Set up your matrix class on the Pricing Administration page, then Manage Matrix class. And 5. Create your discount rule on a discount list within the Pricing Administration area, then Manage Discount List page. This helps you know exactly where to go for each part of the setup. When you're setting up discount lists for a configuration, you can decide whether the discount should apply just to the root item or to the entire rollup charge, which includes the root and its components. If you want the discount to apply to the total configuration price, just select Apply to Rollup at the root item. The system will calculate the rollup charge at runtime. For example, let's say your configuration has a base price of $500 for the root model and the component charges are $50, $30, and $20. You might want to give a $25 discount on the root item and a 10% discount on the total configuration of the rollup charge. You can use the hierarchical view to see the discount rules by the configuration structure, or switch to the summary view to see all items and discounts in a flat list, whichever is easier for you to set up and review. This included instructor demonstration will show you the discount list and the discount rules of the standard item for the order created earlier. Our second topic will cover the management of discount list. You can manage discount rules by setting up rules that apply discounts based on the item's category. For managing discount list, you have a couple of options. Use Oracle ADF Desktop integration with an integrated Excel worksheet to quickly create or update tier-based and attribute-based discounts across multiple discount lists. Or use file-based data import with the discount list import template file to update a large number of discount rules at once, change one or more attributes for discount list headers, access sets, items, simple rules, rules referencing attributes, and descriptive flex field data. Or cancel the import if needed, either for the parent process or for any child processes. These tools make it much easier to manage and update your discount rules efficiently. In this included student practice, you'll create a discount list for a standard item with rules for one-time and recurring charges with simple and tier discounts. Our third topic discusses maintenance of discount list. Run the delete pricing data from interface table schedule process regularly to remove old or unnecessary interface data and to keep your batch import processes running smoothly and efficiently. Topic number 4 explores creating new discount list. The new discount list page now appears by default in the pricing charges task list within pricing administration. This streamlined page lets you manage one discount list that can be set up with multiple benefits. You can also use business rules to control what you see, set default values for attributes, show only the fields you need, and hide the ones you don't. By default, the discount list is set up to display just a few key attributes when you're creating a benefit, making it simpler to focus on what matters. To navigate to the discount list page, go to the Navigator, then Order Management Administration. From the Task panel, select Discount List, then New. Here's a look at the new Redwood user interface for Discount List. To get there, in the Navigator, go to Order Management, and then select Pricing Administration. In the Pricing Administration work area, open the Task Panel tab and select Manage Discount List, then New. This updated interface makes it easier to manage and review your discount list. When you create a new benefit for a component item, you'll see a list of all the models that use that item, specific models you want the benefit to apply to, giving you more control over how discounts or benefits are assigned. Our final topic covers pricing promotions. You can set up pricing promotions to encourage customers to buy your products. For example, you might bundle products or services together when a customer purchases one or more items from the bundle. Here's how it works. The condition for the promotion. This determines if a sales order qualifies for the promotion. Use the rule builder to set up more complex eligibility requirements based on things like the order line, the customer, or specific item attributes. Then, specify the benefit the customer will get, such as a tiered discount that increases with quantity or a free promotional item. Promotions like these help drive sales and reward your customers for larger or bundled purchases. You can set up pricing promotions using rules that give you plenty of flexibility in determining which order lines are eligible. Over the next series of slides, let's list it in the table work in the user interface. Pricing will automatically apply any eligible pricing promotions to items in your sales orders that you're using. However, if you want, you can set up eligibility rules that use criteria like a specific pricing strategy or payment terms to control when a promotion applies. Just remember, both the promotion and the strategy need to be approved before you can test them. Pricing will apply all promotions that meet the eligibility rules. Promotion line, go to the Navigator, Order Management, Pricing Administration, Task, then Manage Pricing Promotions. Click on the promotion you want to work with. Once the promotion opens, below the Promotion Information section to view or add promotion lines. After you fill in the promotion line details, just click Apply to save your changes. When you set up a promotion that includes a free item, another order line for the free item is automatically added once the order is saved. The free item in the currency of the order. To set up a promotion, create a rule that defines when a sales order is eligible. You can base this condition on details like the order line, the customer, or specific item attributes, all right from the Manage Pricing Promotions page. Be sure to check out the tips and considerations on this slide to get the most out of setting up your promotional rules. You can use these predefined order attributes in your rules as customer attributes, like customer name, account, billing city, and more. You can also include sales order attributes like currency, line quantity, line amount, and more. Additionally, you can include item attributes like item category, and unit of measure. Note that this slide is not an exhaustive list of all the attributes. Here's a quick overview of how to get started with pricing promotions. First, make sure you have access to pricing promotions. You can check the What's New documentation for details. If you want your promotion to apply based on a product category, assign the catalog with that category as the primary catalog. Also, be sure that the active box is checked for both adjustments for promotions for simple discounts and tiered adjustments for promotions for tiered discounts on the Manage Price Elements page. Following these steps will help ensure your promotions work as expected. You can set up Oracle pricing to consider shipped, billed, and closed lines when determining if a pricing promotion should apply to an item. Pricing will look at these lines when checking promotions eligibility, but it won't reprice them. Why is this important? Let's say you have a promotion that gives a 10% discount when the order total goes over $1,000. The total value of your order is $1,200, but one line for $750 has already shipped. If you revise the order and the only open line left is for $450, without this setting turned on, pricing wouldn't apply the discount, even though the original total qualified. To make sure closed lines count towards your promotions, go to the pricing functional area in Setup and Maintenance and opt in to use closed lines to help price items. This ensures your promotions apply as expected, even when parts of the